You want to learn how to verify your email address on BlueSky social account. In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So first, open up your BlueSky social app or website. There will be a menu icon on the left, top left, or on the website. If you click on New Post, it's going to give you a pop-up which says verify your email. Or if you try to comment, it's still going to give you a pop-up which says verify your email. So what we're going to do is either just click on these and send confirmation, or you can go into settings, account, and on here you will also see this verify your email. Click on this and send confirmation. Now go to the Gmail account where I have this email open up. You will see a confirmation email like this with the codes. Copy them, go to your BlueSky, and in the confirmation code section, paste it and confirm. And that's it. Your email has been successfully verified on your BlueSky social account. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.